Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today we talk about simple appointments. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. We start now.
Yes, welcome everyone. Today we learn easy ways to make appointments and we practice clear, simple English.
Great. Let's start with a listen part. Please listen to this short example sentence. I want to make an appointment.
Good. Now we explain the phrase. I want to make an appointment means that you need to meet someone at a time.
Yes, very easy. Appointment means a meeting at a time. It can be with a doctor, a teacher, a friend, or a worker.
Now we give more examples. I need an appointment. I need to see you. I need time on Monday.
Good job. These sentences are short and simple, perfect for daily English.
Now let's move to discuss part. Let's talk about common times, morning, afternoon, and evening.
Yes, morning is early day, afternoon is middle day, evening is late day. These words help you choose a time.
Good. Now let's practice small dialogues. I say a sentence and you repeat in your mind. I want an appointment on Monday.
Good. Now a second one. Can I come at 10:30?
Now a third one. What time is free for me?
Great. Practice makes you strong. Keep going.
Now, listen again. We do a small role play. I am a person who needs an appointment, and Jessica is the helper.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make an appointment.
Sure. What day do you want?
I want Monday morning.
Monday morning is free. Please come at 9.
Thank you. See you on Monday.
Good job. This is a simple appointment dialogue. Very clear, very useful.
Now we explain the key vocabulary. Want means you need something. Free means available. See you means goodbye future.
Very good. Now let's give more example phrases. Can I book a time? Can I come later? Can I change the time?
Yes, these are very helpful. You can use them anywhere, at a clinic, salon, office, school, or work.
Now let's do another interactive moment. Please listen to the short dialogue.
Hello, I need to see the doctor.
What day is good for you?
Tuesday afternoon.
Tuesday afternoon is full. Can you come Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday is good. Thank you.
Nice and simple.
Now discuss the word full. Full means there is no time free. Everything is busy.
Yes, and good means the day works for me.
Now listen again, but a little faster.
Hello, I need to see the doctor.
What day is good for you?
Tuesday afternoon.
Tuesday is full. Can you come Wednesday?
Yes, Wednesday is good. Thank you.
Perfect. Little by little, your listening gets stronger.
Now let's teach some polite appointment phrases. Please repeat in your mind. Can I please make a time? Can you tell me what time is open? Is morning possible?
Good. Now let's explain possible. Possible means can happen.
And open means free time.
Now we make a friendly practice conversation.
Hello. I want to book a haircut.
Sure. What time do you want?
Morning if possible.
Morning is free. You can come at 10.
Okay. See you at 10.
Great. That is a real-life example.
Now we talk about changing appointments. Very important.
Yes, sometimes we cannot come, so we say, I want to change the time, or I cannot come today.
And we say, can we make a new time?
Simple and polite.
Let's do a change time practice.
Hello, I cannot come today.
Okay, no problem. Can you come tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning is free. See you then.
Thank you.
Good job. Very soft, very clear.
Now let's do a faster listen.
I cannot come today.
Can you come tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow morning.
Okay, see you then.
Nice. Now we talk about confirming appointments. Confirm means say yes to the time.
Example, I confirm my time for Monday. I will be there at 9.
Easy.
Now listen to this real-life confirm dialogue.
Hello, I want to confirm my time for Wednesday.
Yes, your time is 10:30.
Thank you. See you then.
Good practice.
Now we do more teaching moments.
Important phrases. I will be there. I am free. I need another day.
Yes, and good day names. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Now let's do a full, slow appointment practice.
Hello, can I make an appointment?
Yes, what day do you want?
Friday morning.
Friday morning is free. Please come at 8:30.
Thank you. See you on Friday.
You are welcome.
Now same dialogue, but faster. Hello, can I make an appointment?
Friday morning.
Free. Come at 8:30.
Thank you.
Very good. Now repeat some keywords. Appointment, free, full, change, confirm, morning, afternoon, evening.
Very good. Keep learning, keep practicing.
Yes, your English gets better every day. Now we move to wrap-up part. Today we learned how to make simple appointments, how to ask for time, how to change time, how to confirm time.
And we listened, practiced, and listened again. Very good job.
Now we ask our community question. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.